Bonjour et bienvenue. So in this video, we will discuss about the expression with the verb être. Être un. Être un refers to be made up of. To be made up of. Like to be made up of paper. Être un papier. To be made up of wood. Être un bois. And so on. So in this video, we will discuss some such materials like copper, gold, silver, paper, iron, like this in French, and how we use these materials with the verb and the expression être un in proper phrases in French, of course. So let's begin with the first phrase, être un papier. Être un papier, which means to be made up of paper. To be made up of paper. If you have to say the book is made up of paper, le livre est un papier. Le livre est un papier. So we are using ESTA and it's a conjugation of the être verb. Le livre est un papier. Now the next material is wood. How to say wood in French? Bois. Bois. So the expression is être un bois. To be made up of wood. Être un bois. To be made up of wood. If you have to say this chair is made up of wood, cette chaise est un bois. Cette chaise est un bois. This chair is made up of wood. This chair is made up of wood. Now the next you can say about iron. How to say iron? It's fer. Fer. And if you have to say the key is made up of iron, la clé est un fer. La clé est un fer. The key is made up of iron. Now the next material is stone. How to say stone in French? It's very interesting. The word is pierre. Pierre. Though this word also refers to the name of the European boy as well. Pierre. But here it refers to stone. Pierre. If you have to say this wall is made up of stone, ce mur est un pierre. Ce mur est un pierre. Now the next is if you have to say leather. How to say leather? Cuir. Cuir. So if you have to say the shoes are made up of leather, so the expression goes les souliers sont un cuir. Les souliers sont un cuir. So we are using sont. So it's a plural form of the être verb. So we are referring to the plural noun shoes. That's why we are using sont. Les souliers sont un cuir. Les souliers sont un cuir. Now the next material you can take is fabric or a cloth. It's étoffe. Étoffe. So with être, how to be used if it's like to be made up of cloth. If you have to say the skirt is made up of cloth, la jupe est un étoffe. La jupe est un étoffe. Next material is silk. How to say silk? Soie. Soie. If you have to say this dress is made up of silk or this is a silk dress, cette robe est un, or you can say this dress, cette robe est un soie. Cette robe est un soie. This dress is made up of silk or this is a silk dress. Now, the next material you can take is steel. How to say steel? Acier. Acier. If you have to say this spoon is made up of steel or this is a steel spoon, so cette cuillère est un acier. Cette cuillère est un acier. Cette cuillère est un acier. Again with the acier, nacier. Cette cuillère est un acier. This spoon is made up of steel, or this is a steel spoon. Now the next you can take is gold. How to say gold is or. Or. If you have to say she likes this jewelry made up of gold. Elle aime ce bijou. Elle aime ce bijou en or. Elle aime sa bijou un or. Again, there is a linking of the vowel and the consonant un or. Elle aime sa bijou un or. Now, the next you can take is copper. Copper. So, the French word is cuivre. It's cuivre. So, if the sentence is this object is made up of copper, cet objet est un cuivre. Cet objet est un cuivre. Cet objet est un cuivre. This object is made up of copper. Now the next you can take is glass. How to say glass? Verre. Verre. Verre refers to glass. So the example is, if we have to say this statue is made up of glass, or this is a glass statue, cette statue est un verre. Cette statue est un verre. Cette statue est un verre. Now the next you can take, suppose if you have to say about wax, how to say wax? Cire. Cire. So if you don't want to use this être verb, you can also say a wax statue or a statue made up of wax. So like this, une statue en cire. Une statue en cire. Without the être verb also, you can use in this way also. Une statue en cire, which means, or which refers a statue made up of wax, or a wax statue, or a wax statue. Last but not the least is argent. Argent. Though argent refers to money, but here since we are referring to only materials, so here argent refers to silver. Silver. So how do we use in an expression with être? Supposed to be made up of silver. I want this silver bracelet, or the bracelet made up of silver. Je veux ce bracelet en argent. Je veux ce bracelet en argent. Again, with un and argent, we are linking the vowel and the consonant en argent. Je veux ce bracelet en argent. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, so please do share it with French language learners and do subscribe the channel as well. So hope to meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Au revoir.